2 times 4, 2. 2 times 11, 2. 2 times 12, 2. Yes.
You go there, mechanic.
No. Papa, education is the key.
Your key! Don't look.
Hi everyone, my name is Achika Miracle Ohamo. You're welcome to Uncle Wizzy YouTube channel, where you learn a lot of things like algebra, fraction, multiplication, addition, and a whole lot. And please, for those of you that want to sit for GCE, Junior YF, NECO, JAMB, and the rest, this is very, very good for you. Please go and watch Uncle Wisdom YouTube channel, where you can learn a lot of things there. And in case you don't know what to do, like, comment, share, then you subscribe. If you don't know what to subscribe or if you're confused, you see the red button there. Just press the click button. Just click. It doesn't cost anything for you to click. It doesn't cost you any money for you to watch. So you can learn more and you pass your exam. Please, viewers, watch Uncle YouTube channel. Uncle Wisdom YouTube channel is the best where you can learn. Thank you. God bless you.
My name is Uncle Wisdom. Today we shall be solving the previous class exercises on proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So the exercises are: identify the fractions as a proper fraction, an improper fraction, and a mixed fraction. Mixed number. So number A is 12 over 7. 12 over 7 is an improper fraction. The reason is because in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator, because the numerator is greater or equal to the denominator. Therefore, 12 over 7 is an improper fraction. Then number B, 5 whole number 2 over 11 is a mixed number. The reason is because the numerator it has a whole number, and fraction. Number C, 29 over 40 is a proper fraction. The reason is because the numerator is less than the denominator. Then the last but not the least, 19 over 13 is an improper fraction. Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. That is that for the previous class exercise. Cross-check your work to see if you got them right. If you didn't get them, please take the correction. Please, if you're new here, we urge you to always join us in our classes. Subscribe and share to your friends so that they will enjoy it with you. Thank you very much.